A probe has been initiated by the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization in connection with the death of 18 children in Uzbekistan, which is linked to a cough syrup manufactured by an Indian firm. Uzbekistan has claimed that the children who died had consumed cough syrup Doc 1 Max, which was manufactured by a Noida-based firm called Marion Biotech, which has been operational for 10 years. It was found that the deceased children, before admission to hospital treatment, took 2.5 to 5 ml of this drug at home for 2 to 7 days, 3 to 4 times a day, which exceeds the standard dose of the drug for children, the Health Ministry of Uzbekistan said. Preliminary laboratory studies have shown that the syrup contained ethylene glycol, about 1 to 2 ml per kg of a 95% concentrated solution, can cause serious changes in the patient's health like vomiting, fainting, convulsions, cardiovascular problems, and acute kidney failure. The Health Ministry of Uzbekistan has ordered the withdrawal of all tablets and syrups of Doc 1 Max from all pharmacies in the country. Hassan Harris, legal representative of Marion Biotech, said that both governments are inquiring into the matter and the manufacturing has stopped for the time being. In 2012, Marion Biotech had registered its cough syrup Doc 1 Max for supply to Uzbekistan and supplied it through Cura Max Medical LLC. Doc 1 Max is not being sold in India, according to officials. Earlier this year, the death of 70 children in Gambia was linked to cough syrups manufactured by Haryana-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals, following which the unit was shut for violation of manufacturing standards.